Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good to be here.
Yes, glad to have you as always. All right, today's.
How many times have we said that?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, we should keep a ticker. We should count that. I love that. All right, so our question today, let's go ahead and pull that up on the screen. Gary, I'm being bombarded by ads on my social media from companies that offer a review of my case. Is this legit?
Yeah, so interesting question because that's where we are now. You know, there's been some changes in the law that have really changed who is out there advertising, and that's what it is. It's advertising. But when you say companies, that's probably the right word.
Yeah.
It's not a lawyer, or it may be associated with a lawyer. But they've changed the rules where in Arizona and a couple other jurisdictions, companies can now practice law, or at least be part of a law firm. So that's what we're seeing. So you must have typed something in about a case or value or something, and now these algorithms are throwing these things at you. And the question is, who is it? Yeah. Where are they? What are they? Do they even have lawyers involved? Is it AI generated? It's crazy out there. And you got to be careful with it because I guess in some respects, it's like you don't need a good pilot until the plane's going down, you know, but these things are just, they're not, you're never going to meet a lawyer, you're never going to have a legal relationship with somebody. And can they give you some ideas? Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
With one of those cases. Okay, gotcha. So, but are there some tools that could help me or help us with this?
Yeah, so, you know, we've talked about this for years. You're entitled to lost earnings, medical bills at some level, and then how it impacts your life. And I just don't think these are AI models.
Yeah.
And I think insurance companies use them. They'll say, well, let's enter it into our computer and see what it spits out. And that's what you end up with is a computer. And what do insurance companies do? They lowball everything because they don't want to take into account the realities of how your life may be impacted. So, you know, it's more complicated than that. I don't know. Find out what you can, but if there's some company based in Arizona or somewhere, you know, there's even a law firm now with the Housewives of Miami as partners. I mean, this has gotten way out of hand. So make sure you know who you're dealing with because if there's a problem, you got to be able to find them. And if you can't find them, you can't do much about the problem. So I would be careful. There's plenty of options other than that.
Okay, thank you, Gary. Thank you for that advice. And we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.